The Palm Beach Lake Trail is a paved walking and cycling trail on the island of Palm Beach in Florida. This trail is a magnificent hidden gem. What makes it a true gem is that it hugs the shoreline of the Lake Worth Lagoon, and for approximately 6 miles it meanders through the backyards of multi-million-dollar mansions. When I say it's a hidden gem, it's because it's a well-kept secret, as this Palm Beach attraction is rarely advertised or promoted. Residents of the island are very partial to their privacy and prefer to avoid mobs of tourists from flocking to this trail that literally runs through their backyards. As you'll see in this video, there are amazing views at every turn. Whether you're looking out over the lagoon or getting a glimpse into the backyard sanctuary of some of these amazing properties, every view is absolutely stunning. If you've been on this trail before, please leave a comment below and tell us about your experience on the trail. But now, come along with us to catch a glimpse of our local well-kept secret, the Palm Beach Lake Trail. Enjoy the view. Right on the right is the golf course for the Breakers Hotel. The Seagull Cottage is the oldest home in Palm Beach and was the first residence to Henry Flagler here on the island. Spectacular gardens, and it is adjacent to what later became his residence and the Flagler Museum. Beautiful, really peaceful now, right?
Yeah, compared to this morning.
Yeah.
There's still people out here.
Yeah, I know, but much calmer.
open. As we come around this curve here. Ring our bell. In case anyone's interested. There's a very short section where you actually have to get off the trail and go on the road. But because we're at the northern end of the island, there's very little traffic. And also, they really do. Hello, ladies. It's a lot of fun. Not only are we at the north end of the island, so there's not a lot of traffic, but also they really do cater to the cyclists here. So, hi.
How's it going?
So they really cater to the cyclists and slow down for you, and so very safe. Because I typically don't ride on the roads. That's a very popular thing to do here where we live, but we prefer not to. Now here, just wanted to show you this. This is a newer home that was built, I don't know, in the last few years, and it's absolutely stunning. So I'll see if maybe I can give you a glimpse of it as we go past it. This is North Lake Trail, and we're now approaching Palm Beach Inlet, which is really the destination on this trail. Everyone that rides it or jogs it or walks it or whatever, they're all hoping to get to the Palm Beach Inlet. And at this time of the day, it should be spectacular. Hello. And not only is there not a lot of traffic here, as you can see, the roads are practically ours, but also these intersections, almost every one of them is a four-way stop, so very, very safe. Yeah, we're almost here. Because this whole section here is the section that I got it, but it was all, here's another four-way stop I mentioned. So again, feels like the roads are all ours anyway, right, honey?
Gotta be careful.
Yeah, I know. But still. Hello. Anyway, so we were here earlier today and just decided to come back and shoot a little bit more. So we're going to make this turn here, and then that's going to almost get us to our final destination, which is Palm Beach Inlet. locals, but I think it's mostly visitors. You know, it's a Saturday morning, middle of March. I think people are so anxious to get out right now that they're doing anything and anything that they can where they feel safe. Morning. So we've made it back to our vehicle. I don't think it's been more than 2 hours, right, honey?
Been about, yeah, it's been-
You think it's been more than 2 hours?
Yeah, 'cause
Oh,
what
really?
time is it?
I don't know. But,
Yeah, it's right at 2 hours. It
Okay.
was like 10:15.
yeah. So hopefully we don't have a ticket because here in Palm Beach, they are hefty. This would be a very expensive morning if in fact we have a ticket, but I don't think so.